The hard clam Mercenaria is a species that Cornell Cooperative Extension Marine Program has been working with since the beginning days of the program in 1985. It's always been a part of CCE Marine's mission to help improve local populations of this species due to their commercial, recreational, and environmental importance. Our aquaculture experts and technicians work throughout the region on population enhancement projects. Working with the support of local municipalities and agencies, we have overseen the production and seeding of millions of hard clams in local waters over the years. We operate several shellfish hatcheries, our largest being located at our flagship location, the Suffolk County Marine Environmental Learning Center in Southold. We also have opportunities for involvement in assisting our staff in caring for clams we are producing in support of the New York State-funded Long Island Shellfish Restoration Project. For more information, please visit the longislandshellfishproject.org and backtothebays.org.